If you forgot your Samsung DVR password,
But don't worry, in this video, I'm going to show you working methods to reset your Samsung DVR password, including remote control reset tricks. Method 1. Reset using remote control. This is the fastest and most commonly used method on older Samsung DVR systems. Subscribe our channel for more videos and hit the bell icon. Your Samsung DVR remote has hidden key sequences that can trigger a factory reset screen. Sequence A, most common. Try pressing these buttons in quick succession. Freeze, alarm, freeze, alarm, freeze, return. Now pay attention to the screen. If your model supports this method, a factory reset pop-up will appear asking Restore Factory Defaults. Simply click OK and the system will reboot automatically. After reboot, your DVR will be reset and you can set a new admin password. Sequence B, alternative method. If sequence A doesn't work, try this. Freeze, alarm, freeze, alarm, freeze, menu, enter. This is slightly longer and works on some Samsung TechWin variants. Again, wait for a confirmation pop-up. If it appears, confirm reset and let the system reboot. Sequence C, specific models. Some models like SDR Series DVRs use a completely different input. Up, right, 5, 3, 3. This sequence directly triggers the service menu or reset prompt. If successful, you will again get the factory reset confirmation screen. Subscribe our channel for more videos and hit the bell icon.